Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. We're excited to do another baseball player today. Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees, power hitter, 6'7", one of the largest players in the major leagues. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button, hit a thumbs up, even leave a comment. We'd like to hear from you, what you think of the content, what we could improve on, who you would like to see us draw in the future. Anyway, we just want to say thanks to our fans and those of you who draw with us. So Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees, the right fielder, American League Rookie of the Year in 2017, the first Major League Baseball rookie to win the Home Run Derby, second in the American League MVP race in 2017. So he's a superstar power hitter. Let's do it. Let's find the center of our page here and the center of our page across. We'll do Aaron Judge's face in cartoon style up here, holding a bat, holding a baseball. Here we go. Get a black or a dark marker here, pointed tip, and we're going to start with the brim of the hat, kind of this arch up here on top. So here we go. We'll do a slight arch. This brim of the hat will go up, straight across, and down. All right, there's the hat. Doesn't have to be perfect. It is what it is. All right, so let's draw the face. We'll do down, kind of go out wide to a chin, out wide, and up. Okay, we'll do a couple of ears here. 1, 2. We'll do the eyes a little smaller. We won't do big circles. We'll do kind of more like an egg shape, a little smaller circle. Aaron Judge has smaller eyes than most. We'll do some big white circles on the inside. Those are the highlights. Smaller white circle highlights, and this arch in there. We're going to do now really quick. I'm going to get a light blue, fill this area in with light blue. Like I say on our other drawings, this does not mean that Aaron Judge has blue eyes. This is simply us adding a little reflection to our player's eyes, imagining that it's a reflection coming from the baseball lights in the stadium. Now I'm going to get a really dark brown. We're going to color in the rest of Aaron Judge's eyes around here, leaving these highlights white. Okay, these circles white. Alrighty, nice work. Okay, so get the black marker back. Let's do a nose. We'll go down to point and over. We'll do Aaron Judge smiling. Aaron Judge has a unique smile, a little gap in the front teeth. So here we go. We'll start over here and do this bird shape. 1, 2, kind of like a flying bird. And then we'll do this big down, up. Alrighty. So let's do the teeth. Actually, we'll come back and do the teeth in a minute. I'm going to block out the rest of the body. So we'll give Aaron Judge a big, wide neck since he's kind of this big, muscly guy. Bring it down to a point. Shoulder out. Shoulder out. Sleeve down to the waist. Up, and then connect to that arm. Okay? And over here we'll do a big baseball like we usually do. A big circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, never is. There's our circle. A couple of small circles for Aaron Judge fingers, a thumb on the side holding that baseball. And let's do a big arm going down, big arm going into that baseball. Okay, over here, well, right here, before we draw the arm, it's gonna be like a fist holding the bat. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, up, and kind of this thumb shape. His arm comes out, out, and then kind of this rounded shape into the arm. Okay? So now the bat is going to be, he's holding the bat in his hand. We're just going to draw it straight down, slanted. And up, gets a little skinnier as it goes into his hand. It's kind of not a perfect bat. Let's do his belt buckle, rectangle right here, another rectangle to the waist. And then big pants. Okay. Some socks, connect those socks. And we'll do these big shoes like we do. So let's go like tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Can't see the shoelaces because they go behind that bat there. Big clown shoe comes straight across and up to the ankle. Bring that ankle down, straight across, and it connects to the bat, goes behind the bat, comes back out, up, and behind the bat again. All right? Okay, so we basically have the outline of Aaron Judge here. I'm gonna get a flesh colored, kind of a pink actually, a flesh colored pink marker. Let's see what I get. Let's do that. See this pink, kind of a, this is for the gums of the mouth. Aaron Judge has these gums, so we'll do 1 arch, 2 arch, 3 arch, 4 arch. What kind of color are these in? These are Aaron Judge's gums in his mouth for his smile. Most of our players do not have this big of gum, but Aaron Judge, his smile shows a lot of gum, so let's do it. Okay, get our black marker back, and right here we're going to do a big gap. So do a big black line. You can even make it thicker if you want, just so we know who it is, right? And then go out, and that's our Aaron Judge smile. Okay, so now we are going to most likely let's do the New York Yankees logo right here, since that's kind of challenging. We'll get our dark blue marker, and we are going to do a Yankees. I'll start with the N. It kind of curves out, down, curves out. See how that works? We're going to do the Y here. I'm going to get a better picture for you. Okay. This goes out and then kind of flattens on top. Goes down, flattens right there. Goes, curves. And that should be good, kind of a curve right here. Now let's do the Y. The Y will block it in. Flattens up here and kind of curves in. Flattens up there, curves in. and then drops down through the end. Pretty good, pretty good. And up here we'll do the same thing. This one's going to be a little more challenging. I would recommend coloring the hat all blue and then getting a white colored pencil or a white Prismacolor pencil. Prismacolor are the best, and they look like this. Here's the brand. Prismacolor brand colored pencils. These are the best, in my opinion, color pencils you can buy. They're a little more expensive, but they are softer and they really lay down the color well. So I would recommend getting white for this and color this blue, and then do the Yankee logo in white. But guess what? I don't have white. I ran out. So I'm gonna just do my best to mark this out in blue. And then color around it. You do not need to do this. This is the hard part. And then I'll color around it like this. Like I said, I would color the hat all blue and come over it with a white Prismacolor or white colored pencil to make it better. See how we did that? That's the hard way to do it. Okay. All right, and I'll color the rest of that in a minute. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fast forward. We're gonna do Aaron Judge. We'll do the Yankee stripes in blue. We'll probably keep these cleats white, brown baseball bat, blue sleeves, blue hat, flesh colored. We'll give Aaron Judge some freckles, some eye blocker under his eyes, and we should be good to go. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees. Fast forward.